Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. Today we have a very exciting, I don't want to say unboxing because I kind of already unboxed it, but it's going to be a try on a package I received very kindly from Mott Bow. So thank you so much, Mott Bow, for sending over a couple of jeans, a t-shirt, and a sweatshirt. So actually, I am wearing one of my very favorite t-shirts to this day. So a while back, Mott Bow sent over a pair of jeans and this t-shirt. And if you check back on my videos, I probably have been using this t-shirt non-stop since they did send it. So this is one of my favorite t-shirts ever, and I am so excited whenever they reached out and wanted to collaborate again. I was yes please and thank you very much. So anyway, before we get into the kind of like unbagging, trying on the jeans, please be sure to subscribe. Just hit this little red button and be also sure to hit the little bell so you get notified every time that I post. If you're not familiar with the brand, Mott Bow specializes in jeans that are going to be a great quality at a reasonable, just price. So they also have all of those basics and staples you need in your closet, like the beautiful t-shirt that I'm wearing. I was mentioning earlier that it is my favorite t-shirt I've ever tried. I got mine in the off-white shade and the extra small. So all of those basics that are going to build your wardrobe, you can find in Mott Bow, including jeans, t-shirts. They also have men clothing. This time around, I also picked a sweatshirt, which I am very excited for. I feel like for this this little haul that I got, I was thinking about fall. So I got another t-shirt in a darker shade. I usually go for more lighter pieces, but I thought fall is coming and I want to be able to use a little bit of a more, or I usually go for more darker shades, so I thought a black t-shirt was definitely something I needed. I am very excited and I honestly see myself purchasing more of these t-shirts you know, in the coming time because they are absolutely soft, comfortable, the perfect fit. Mine is, like I was mentioning earlier, extra small and it fits perfect. It's long but not too long, and it's just, you know, it has a little bit of give but it's still fitted where it's supposed to be fitted, so like your arms, your chest. It's just beautiful. The quality is amazing and I've been using it so much. Also at the shade, like I was mentioning, I love the off-white. I feel like my closet, I can wear it with everything and it looks fantastic. So I thought, why not pick a black one? It is also in extra small. If you like your t-shirts to be a little more, not loose, but if you like that more, I guess you would say loose fit, I would just go like one size bigger. So I would probably also be able to fit very comfortably the small size, but I wanted a more fitted look, so I went for the extra small, but I don't foresee a small being too big on me. I think it would also look really, really good for that more kind of like relaxed look. So here is the black one. I also picked a couple of other pieces which I will be showing you in a little trial. Here is the first pair of Mott Bow. These ones are the boyfriend style. They have a specific name. I will be leaving it here somewhere in the screen. I don't remember the specific name, but yeah. Boyfriend, a size 25 by 28. And this is how, I guess how up or how tall they fit, just below my belly button. And with a t-shirt, if I were to wear a t-shirt just untucked, that's kind of like how they would look. And I'm gonna turn around. They are very comfortable. I really love the darker, I guess the darker shade on these jeans. The other ones that I got are way lighter, which are perfect for spring and summer, but I thought I wanted to get something a little bit darker for the coming fall. So here's what they look like. And if I wear, which I usually always like to wear my t-shirts tucked, I'm just gonna kind of like do a fake tuck just so you can see how they look. This is not gonna be perfect by any means, but it'll work. So this is what they look like tucked in. Same thing, just below my belly button. I really love them. And here it is all bunched up, but so you can see a little bit better. And on the side, they are a bit more on the straight side on the bottom of the jeans. I will be showing you here some mud shots where you can see the full jean in action. But this is kind of like with the other camera, the other shots are gonna be with my phone, but I wanted to show you how they look. They are very comfortable. 25 is definitely my size in Mott Bow. Both of the jeans I got were 25s. So yeah, here is the boyfriend, and I'll be back to show you the other ones. And now here we have the lighter jeans that I picked. I wanted a lighter and a darker one because we still have a good chunk of time that is going to be hot, and I love wearing this shade of jeans with white tennis shoes or sandals in the summer. It's just beautiful combo. And this is the black t-shirt, so same that I was showing you earlier, but now I got it in black, also in the extra small size. So here it is if I had it untucked, how long it is. It's still very comfortable in the length because you can easily just tuck it in, or if you want to leave it like that. Another thing, if I'm not gonna go like full tucked in on my shirt, I'll just do this and kind of like leave it a little more casual. These ones definitely hug my body a little bit more tight, but still very comfortable. You have no idea how soft these jeans feel, and they go a little bit more tall. And here is the back of the jeans, just so you can see them. I love how they come up a little bit more, so I am not having like any pressure, and you know, nothing is really coming out. Also during fall and winter, because I can just pair it, for instance, with this beautiful black t-shirt with some black loafers, and you have a winning outfit. Like, I would also do the same thing, just fully tuck it in, because that's what I like to do. So I'll just tuck in my t-shirt with a cool, nice belt, a nice pair of loafers, and a very beautiful bag. And look at that, so stunning. I love the more classy look whenever you kind of like tuck in your t-shirt, and although you're wearing a basic t-shirt with some jeans, I feel like it makes a world of difference when you tuck it in. So yeah, here it is, the mom jeans in size 25 by 28. I'm gonna be leaving here some shots so you can actually see how the full length looks. These ones come down to a very comfortable straight fit on my legs, and they are super comfortable, you guys. I am in love with this one specifically. Both of them are really good quality, and they feel very nicely, but I feel like these ones were definitely my favorite, and t-shirts are my favorite in general. I have it in 2 colors now, and you gotta believe I'm gonna continue to get more of them in different shades because I love them so much. I am with the last piece, and this might just be my favorite sweatshirt. I know it's still extremely hot outside, but again, with planning for fall and winter, this is the most coolest basic sweatshirt that I've tried. I love this cut. So it is going to be more open and kind of like wider on the top. So you have that very comfy, why am I moving my arms like this? I have no clue. So anyway, and then on the bottom, it comes down to kind of like a more smaller side. So basically you can just put it up like that if you want, or you can also tuck it in on your jeans just a little bit, and you get that very comfy vibe because you have a ton of space. You see how big this is, so you're not gonna be kind of like all tight wearing your sweatshirt. I don't think that's like there's anything more uncomfortable than trying to be comfy with a sweatshirt when it's getting a little bit chilly. And then look at that. I love this fabric, the way you can just put it like that up, and I don't know, you guys, this is such a comfortable sweatshirt. I love it. And I also of course love the shirt, the shade. It is this beautiful off-white that again I wear all the time. This is my favorite kind of shades to wear. So yeah, this is super cool. I really love this sweatshirt, and it is in the size extra small. So of course it is a sweatshirt, so it's going to be a little bit more looser. I still feel that it fits very comfortably on me, and it doesn't seem like a super long. Let me just open my arms so you can see it a little bit better. I am loving this. Let me know which one was your favorite out of the 2 jeans. I am definitely gonna say that it was the lighter ones, which are the ones that I'm still wearing. I'm just gonna keep this outfit for the rest of the day. But yeah, just elevated basics are really what a wardrobe starts with. If you have a good pair of jeans, a t-shirt that you love, you can literally get the same exact thing in different shades, and you can make so many outfits. And just adding like your jacket, your blazer, your shoes, your bag, you can make so many outfits with an essential closet that's built with very well-made basics. And I feel like that you can definitely find with Mott Bow. The company started with just jeans, and it's very interesting because I was reading a little bit more about the brand, and the founder, his name is Alejandro, he's actually from Honduras, and his family has been working with denim for a little while. So he kind of like grew up knowing denim. So he finally started his own company, and I feel like it's such a good thing to support a family business and kind of like give it your twist and make it yours. And these jeans are definitely top notch. I am really loving these ones. I will be leaving a link down below how I feel about them through, you know, the next couple of days or whenever I actually start using them more. But so far they look really nice. I don't have it just now by the time that I'm filming this video, but I do have a discount code they're gonna give me for you guys. If you want to purchase, you're gonna get some kind of discount. I'm gonna leave it probably here on the screen, and of course linked down below. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I love to chat with you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.